Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about automatically register minimal APIs in ASP.NET Core. So let's jump right in.
Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project.
Alright, so the first is the endpoint come first. Automatically registering minimal APIs significantly reduces boilerplate streamlining development. It makes your code base more concise and improves maintainability by establishing a centralized registration mechanism. Let's create a simple endpoint extraction to represent a single endpoint. The map endpoint accepts an endpoint route builder, which we can use to call MapGet, MapPost, etc. So here's example. Each endpoint implementation should contain exactly one minimal API endpoint definition. Nothing prevents you from registering multiple endpoints in the map endpoint method, but you really shouldn't. Additionally, you could implement a code analyzer or architecture test to enforce this rule. So here's an example. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. So the next thing is sprinkle some reflection magic. Reflection allows us to dynamically examine code at runtime. For minimal API registration, we will use reflection to scan our .NET assemblies and find classes that implement endpoint. Then we will configure them as service with dependency injection. The assembly parameter should be the assembly that contains the endpoint implementations. If you want to have endpoints in multiple assemblies, so you can easily extend this method to accept a collection. So here's example. We only need to call this method once from the program file. So here's example. The final step in our implementation is to register the endpoints automatically. We can create an extension method on the web application which lets us resolve services using the iService provider. We are looking for all registrations of the iEndpoint service. These will be the endpoint classes we can now register with the application by calling map_endpoint. I'm also adding an option to pass in a route group builder. If you want to apply conventions to all endpoints, a great example is adding a route prefix authentication or API versioning. So here's example. Here's how the program file could look alike when we put it all together. We are calling add endpoints to register the endpoint implementation. Then we are calling map endpoints to automatically register the minimal APIs. I'm also configuring a route prefix and API versioning for each endpoint using a route group builder. So here's example, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. Automatic minimal API registration with techniques like reflection can significantly improve developer efficiency and project maintainability. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.
To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.